Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit with PayPal on Bitget. All right. So first and foremost, you cannot directly buy crypto or deposit fiat money from your PayPal directly to your Bitget exchange app. Okay. So what you can do is just basically download the Bitget wallet. Okay. Download Bitget wallet. And then once you have your desired crypto to your Bitget wallet, you can just go ahead and transfer it to your Bitget exchange app. Okay, so for example, let's go ahead over to a wallet right here. Now go ahead and tap on add funds. Now go ahead and tap on buy crypto. Okay, let's say for example, we're going to buy USDT right here. The network would be Ethereum. Now go ahead and select your currency right here. For example, US dollars. Now you can go ahead and tap on the provider. Okay. As you can see here, we do have the view more section and the third party payment providers. So you could go ahead and select Mercurio right here or even MoonPay. Okay. These two right here, as far as I know, allows PayPal payments. Or you could go ahead over to main payment methods right here, tap on it and PayPal will be available. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and select the partner code. As you can see here, MoonPay is still available. So go ahead and select MoonPay. Hit on confirm. And once you have your USDT, the next step would be to transfer it to your Bitget exchange. You tap on USDT right here or your asset and just tap on transfer. Now it says it needs a receiving address. Well, go ahead and go back to your Bitget exchange app. Tap on your assets. I go ahead and tap on add funds, deposit crypto. USDT network should be the same. Ethereum right here or ERC20. Now copy the address, go back to your Bitget wallet, tap and hold, paste, next, and just enter the amount of USDT that you would like to transfer. That's basically it. That is how you deposit with PayPal on Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.